Hello, everyone! Welcome to How to Make Money Top 10 videos, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT and how you can use it to create engaging content. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it's an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to text prompts. In this video, I'll be explaining what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can use it to take your content creation to the next level. This video is a complete step-by-step guide to using the AI tool. ChatGPT is a newly launched AI chatbot that was launched in November 2022. It stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT has been making headlines since the day it was launched due to the tasks that it is capable of performing. It gives you answers to every question of yours, such as it will help you to plan a party, give you complete guidance in your school/college assignments, write code, etc. In fact, what is startling is the fact that it has shown its power by surpassing the law bar exam and also tackling Google's coding test. How to use ChatGPT? ChatGPT is simple and easy to use. One thing that you should keep in mind while using it is that you input statement questions in it. In order to use ChatGPT, the first thing that you need to do is to create an account on OpenAI. Create an account on ChatGPT. The following page will appear on your screen once you visit the OpenAI website. Click on the Sign Up option. In case the website is taking time to load, then refresh the page or check back after some time. Verify your account. After you have successfully signed up for ChatGPT, the next step is to verify your account. If you sign up through your email ID, then a verification email will be sent to your inbox. Follow the link sent to your mobile phone and complete the verification process. Fill up the details asked and proceed. Use ChatGPT. After you have successfully created an account on ChatGPT, then the ChatGPT is free to use. Know what is ChatGPT full form. How to use ChatGPT after account creation. Now that you have successfully created an account on ChatGPT, you can begin to use it. It is simple and easy to use. Simply type any question that you wish to know about in the search bar. For example, if you want to know about the recipe of a dish, then simply type your query in the search box. Here is the screenshot of the ChatGPT search bar. ChatGPT's biggest competitor. If we look at the biggest competitor of ChatGPT, then we could believe that Google's Bard will be the one to replace it. Google finally unveiled its AI chatbot, which is Bard, on February 6th, which will give direct competition to ChatGPT. Similar to ChatGPT, Bard 2 is capable of having human-like conversations, do translations, and provide accurate information to the user. It is powered by Google's language model, which is Lambda, language model for dialogue applications. Google will combine external feedback with internal testing to ensure Bard's responses meet a high bar for quality, safety, and groundedness in real-world information. Though there are many other alternatives to ChatGPT, however, if facts are to be believed, then Google's AI chatbot Bard has the power to compete against it. When will Bard be launched? The search giant Google announced that it will be opening it up to trusted testers ahead of making it more widely available to the public in the coming weeks. It will be quite interesting to see how Google will develop its chatbot to compete against ChatGPT and how people would find it to use. Can I use ChatGPT on mobile? Unfortunately, ChatGPT is unavailable on mobile phones at present. Thus, it cannot be found in Google Play Store for Android and Apple App Store for iPhone. ChatGPT is still undergoing development. So, it can be only used on chat.openai.com. ChatGPT app. The world is curious about using the ChatGPT app. However, you should be aware that this AI is not yet made available to be downloaded as an app version. You can use ChatGPT on your mobile phone browser for free by visiting any web browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, etc. Then at the bottom of the mobile screen, click on the Try ChatGPT banner. Log in/sign up using your credentials and feel free to use this AI bot to get your queries answered. Is ChatGPT free to use? Yes, ChatGPT is free to use. As per some estimations, OpenAI spends approximately $3 million per month to continue its use for the people. However, OpenAI has also introduced its premium version, which will be chargeable in the coming future. ChatGPT's biggest competitor, ChatGPT versus Google Bard. Let's also see the biggest rival for ChatGPT in this ChatGPT tutorial. Google's recently unveiled AI chatbot, Bard, is poised to be a strong competitor to ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT, Bard is capable of engaging in human-like conversations, translating languages, and providing accurate information to users, thanks to Google's Llama language model. To ensure quality and safety, Google plans to use both external feedback and internal testing for Bard's responses. While there are other alternatives to ChatGPT, Bard is expected to be a formidable rival. That's it for this video on ChatGPT. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 videos for more content like this. Thanks for watching.